Hi guys, just wanted to pop on real quick. Exercise 9 in chapter 4. We're given the demand for haircuts from seniors and from other customers in a hairdressing shop based on the various prices. We're asked, between the prices of $16 and $20, which of the two demands is more elastic? So you have to calculate the price elasticity of demand for seniors between those two prices and for other customers. So I only did the calculation for one because it's the same for the other, but again, the solutions that are provided just give you the answer. So I wanted to go a bit further and give you the, because here, number 9. So these solutions are posted. So we're just told, that the price elasticity is 6.75, and then there's no further information given. So I just posted 9A just for the seniors. So again, your price elasticity is your percent change in quantity demanded, that's a Q by the way there, divided by the percent change in price. Now we're going to break that down further. Percent change in quantity demanded is actually your change in quantity demanded over your average quantity demanded times 100, and then your percent change in price is your change in price divided by your average price times 100. Now from here we have all the information from that in that chart. So your change in quantity demanded, so it goes from 7 to 1, and the price is 20 to 16. So your change in quantity demanded is 7 minus 1. Your average quantity demanded is 7 plus 1 and divided by 2 to get the average. You multiply that by 100. Your change in price, the price went from $20 to $16. To get the average, you add them and divide by 2, and then you multiply that by 100. And then you just continue on with the math. So that's 6 over 4 times 100, which works out to be 150, and 4 over 18 times 100, which is 22.22. And just a heads up for anyone using a calculator, what I did there, because this is 22.2222 and it just continues, just to ensure accuracy, when I calculated 4 divided by 18 times 100 and got the answer, I stored the solution. So I stored, on my calculator, I just hit store 1 and I stored the value in number 1. And then when I want to use that number again in this here and say 150 divided by, instead of having to type in 22.22, I just hit recall 1 and the full number comes up. Anyway, that's just a side note from for using your calculator. And then anyway, you get your 6.75. You do the same thing. This was for seniors. You can do the same thing for the others. Instead of 7 and 1 for the quantity demanded, it goes from 11 till 9. So you just have 11 and 9 up here, and you'd get your other value, which would be your 0.9. All right, that's all I wanted to show you for that particular question.